I'm Mark Nicholas and quite delighted to be with you throughout the game, where we're hoping to see not just exciting cricket but praying that the rain keeps away.
Well, taking into account this very damp pitch and the overcast overhead conditions, I see no option upon winning the toss but to bowl first.
This is a very wet surface and will be hard to play your strokes on. I think it might move around a bit too. I mean, it's a pretty good toss to win this, and I expect the bowlers to dominate, never mind the first session, most of the day.
The sweeper picks up. It was a good piece of running.
Now that's not the right line to bowl to this guy, not at all. He'll thrash you if you bowl there.
What a marvellous shot. Beautiful piece of fielding that. That was really well judged. It went a long way up.
It took an age to come down. It came down with snow on it.
Got him, yes, he's out. That flew off the edge, but he managed to get a hand to it, and it stuck. That's been given as a wide. That's 2 more runs on the board.
The bowling side can now have up to 5 players outside the inner ring.
Yes. There you are.
That's in the stands. 6 runs.
That is massive. Well, he hardly seemed to hit it, and it's 6. Oh, it's a monster.
Confident appeal is gone.
Not a difficult decision for the umpire to make. That is out. What super stroke. Do you know, I didn't think that was a bad ball either.
That was good positive running by the batsman.
Amazing sight for any bowler. The ball is just sailing over the fence. It doesn't matter if it's in the air when you hit it that far.
He'll be okay, but that will be very, very sore in the morning. It's edged and out. Great reflexes. He made it look so easy. Perfectly timed shot for 4. I think he was easily back in the crease there. He's got it into the gap. They've turned that into 2. That's good running. They've turned that into 2. That's good running.
Great strike. Great strike. 6 from the moment he hit it. Don't even bother chasing that. That's away to the bleachers.
That was still going up as it cleared the rope.
Miles, he's hit it miles.
That's 2 more runs on the board. That's cleared the boundary. 6 runs.
You can't set fields for a shot like that. Brilliant.
That was good running by the batsman.
Effortless, brilliant, and maximum.
Got him. Yes, he's out. Great catch. He got his hands in the right place and somehow it's stuck.
Saddle up, ECDB.
Welcome back. The players and the umpires have made their way to the middle. Everybody's set for the second innings, and it really is difficult to choose a winner. Let's pick up commentary now with Richie Bennett. Oh, he picked that up beautifully. Quite beautifully.
the field. Suji is switching to round the wicket. It's straight to a fielder.
Well, a player of this quality just doesn't miss out on opportunities like that. Onto it in a flash. The bowling side are now allowed more players outside the ring as the fielding restrictions have been lifted.
Got him, yes, he's out. That ball was really moving, a brilliant reflex catch. We can have a look at that again. That's edged and out. Cracking catch. That could change the course of the match. Let's take a look at that in slow motion. It's straight to a fielder. That one will have ruffled his feathers. Beautiful piece of fielding. Oh, what a catch by Singh.
The fielder did very well there. He made it look easy, but actually it was a whole lot more difficult than it looked.
Singh at the start of his...
Saddle up, ECDB. Run to the troops. Right about now, Rasta you teach I the truth. Yo, when we saddle, when we saddle.
runner. Ouch, that must have hurt. Ouch, that must have hurt. Stopped in the covers. Stopped in the covers. amazing catch.
Now, he made that catch look easy, but it was far from it. The captain probably shouldn't use up all of his best bowlers at this stage. Those closing overs are so crucial to the match. Particularly on this good batting pitch.
Stopped in the covers. What a catch, what a catch! Hardings gets his first wicket. Hardings is coming around the wicket. We're about to see a change in the bowling. India have changed their field.
Oh, the bowler won't like that. This is exciting stuff.
Oh, that really was a super stroke. Done him all ends up.
What a cracking delivery.
Yadav gets his first wicket this week.
Yep, that'll do it. That gives them an excellent win in this important limited overs fixture. Well, on behalf of Richie Benno and myself, we bid you a very good evening, and we'll see you next time for more of our very